Hello Freedom Tool users. In this video we'll be going over how to connect your FREEDOMWARE interface box to your computer using Bluetooth. To get started, you're going to need a laptop with built-in Bluetooth, and your interface box must be connected to the elevator. If your computer does not have built-in Bluetooth, please refer to our other tutorial that explains how to connect your interface box with the Bluetooth dongle. Once the interface box is in the elevator and it has a solid red light under power and it has a flashing green light under status, you will be ready to connect with your computer. So the first thing you should do is select the Windows Start button and then select Settings. Then you should select Devices, and then on the left you should select Bluetooth and then turn the Bluetooth on. Your interface box is going to appear using its World Electronics part number, which can be found right here. So we are going to go ahead and select our interface box and then select Pair. Now it should prompt asking for a password. All of the passwords on all the interface boxes is 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to select Next and wait for the interface box to connect. Now the first time you connect your interface box to your computer is going to automatically assign the box a COM port. The easiest way to figure out which COM port works best is by going to Device Manager. If you are using Windows 10, the most straightforward way to get to Device Manager is by right-clicking your Windows button and then selecting Device Manager. If you're using an older version of Windows, you can get to Device Manager by selecting the Windows button, then selecting Control Panel, and then in the next window that comes up, you can just simply select Device Manager. Once the Device Manager window opens, you're going to look for a drop-down titled Ports, COM, and LPT. Under that drop-down, you're going to look for Standard Serial over Bluetooth link, and then it will have a COM and a number in parentheses. That's the COM port you should be using when you enter in the Freedom tool. So now we're going to go ahead and open up the Freedom tool. For this demonstration, I'm going to go to Tissendover, DMC1, and I'm going to select COM 8. Hit OK. Alright, my security key passed. I'm just going to press select and go to the CarLogic window just to see if I was able to establish communications. And I was able to establish communications. CLC present. If you are unable to establish communications with your elevator, I would make sure there's a solid green light next to the red status light on your interface box. If the light is still blinking, you should go back into Device Manager and see if there's any other standard Bluetooth over serial link options you could try. If you don't have any green light whatsoever, I would make sure that there's no wires plugged into the interface box. So that concludes our Bluetooth tutorial, so thank you for watching, and feel free to visit us at www.world-electronics.com.